with the shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my faith, babe, just to keep it safe. Don't you know you're everything I have? And
What is up, guys? It's your boy LG, back with another crazy and stupid challenge. I'm not going to do this challenge, not by myself though. So, I challenge Airsoft Fatty to a 90-day weight loss challenge. Now, I already started. I cut out all the pops, and today I went out and bought nothing but fruits, vegetables. Sorry about that, if you can hear that. I grabbed the green tea, the non-sugared flavored water. I grabbed so much stuff that can help. So I'm gonna weigh myself in every month, and I'm gonna keep it going. So Airsoft Eddie, I challenge you, 90-day weight loss challenge. So let's see, in 3 months, upload a video, and let me know what your score is or your weight is to mine. So, let's get this challenge started. That's my hand's huge. Alright.